Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm going to show you how to disassemble this Acer Aspire 3 laptop. Now, definitely, this video is just for educational purposes, because I mean we have persons out there who might not know the correct way to disable a laptop like this. Now, I would have gone ahead and remove all of the screws. So you have to ensure that all screws actually remove. Now this strip here, now there is no screw underneath it. So for those persons who are going to disassemble their laptop, so there is no way you need to remove this rubber strip there, because there is definitely no screw under there. Because like for example Dell, some of the Dell, I'm sure that there is screw underneath a strip that might be around the back like that. So in terms of component, in terms of um getting this laptop open, definitely you'd have to get this piece out, and there was a screw right there, so would have already removed it. As for the hard drive, you need to disconnect this cable for the hard drive. Now the hard drive can simply stay intact there. Also, you need to remove a screw that is here, so that is screw there. In terms of this section, now you don't have to remove it, but I mean I would have gone ahead and removed mine. So let's see if we can get this thing open. Now in terms of opening this laptop, again, guys, as for the different models and the different brands, there are different ways in terms of opening your laptop. Some brands, some model, you'd have to use something flat, like for example this knife, and actually open it from the top section right there, going right around. As for this laptop, that is not the case. We actually remove it from behind, so right there. So that's how you remove it, right from down the bottom section right there. So you actually get it. So as for this one, now this section here close to the screen, there are some clips, so you have to turn it around the back like that. That's the bottom section of the screen, and get it open. So guys, really very important for you to know definitely how to remove your laptop housing. Once you know how to remove your laptop housing, then definitely guys, it will prevent you from damaging clips that comes with the laptop, or clips that secure the laptop housing. Alright, so once you would have done that, then actually would have successfully open, or if I want to say disassemble, this Acer Aspire 3 laptop. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.